Buckle up and belt up. Do they mean fasten your seat belt or shut up? Let's see. Buckle up is used in American English. It means to fasten the seat belt in a car or on a plane. Always remember to buckle up before you drive off. Buckle up means wear the seat belt, fasten the seat belt. Belt up is used in British English. It has two meanings: to fasten the seat belt in a car or on a plane. Like buckle up, you should always belt up before the plane takes off. The second meaning is shut up or be quiet. Would you belt up? I'm trying to concentrate. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell for more lessons and notification. Bye.